Hi everyone, my name is Becca with Basics by Becca, and today I'm going to share with you how I went from 0 to 100K monthly viewers my first year of blogging. Now, this was my strategy that may be intense for some, and if so, that's okay. But just keep that in mind. You can spread the strategy out more over time, but it will just take longer to reach your monthly visitor goal. So let's go ahead and dive in. So number one is that I researched my niche. And this is important because you need to know who your target audience is, what their interests are, and how you can help them. And I did this by using an SEO keyword research tool to help type in keywords that I thought my audience may be searching for, and to see if there were enough people searching for that topic. I also looked at my competitors' websites for inspiration, not to copy, I want to make that clear, but just to see how they were serving their audience and what topics they were talking about. Number two is that I created content with my audience in mind. So, again, you need to know who your target audience is and what their interests are so that you can create content that appeals to them and helps them in some way. So I try to answer common questions that they may have to help solve a problem that they may be having. And number three is that I created a content calendar. So this has certainly helped me to stay organized and on track with my content. I did my keyword research, picked low competition keywords, and started creating content. Within the first 3 months, I believe I created like 50 articles. And within the first 6 months, I created 100 topic relevant niche down articles. And this is important because I was aiming for Google organic traffic. And with Google, you want to establish that you are an expert in that topic. That is why it is so important to niche down. So number four is I started promoting my content on Pinterest. Now with Google, to grow organically takes time. So I decided to promote my blog on Pinterest, which has changed quite a bit since I've started, but I did receive my first bit of traffic through them within the first 3 months. And this helped to grow my blog. And I would say that by the end of the first year, I was receiving about 30% of my traffic from Pinterest. And last but not least, I stayed focused on sustainable long-term growth. So most people who start their own business do not start turning a profit or see success until 3 years into that business. And because of the hard work and time that I put into the beginning, I was able to see results a bit quicker. So it's important to keep in mind that this is a long-term game. And if you give up too soon, you won't ever see that long-term success. So in conclusion, I wanted to share these tips with you on how I was able to go from 0 to 100K monthly viewers in my first year of blogging. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.